Hi children, good morning. How are you? Are you fine? I hope you are fine. What about our previous videos? Did you watch them? And did you write the notes that we sent them? At homeworks? And did you learn? Okay, do all these things children. Today's in the present class there is landforms. Our new topic is landforms. Do you know anything about landform children? Actually, what is landform? Landform is a relief feature. Meaning is the high and low areas on the earth surface. The high and low areas of the earth surface. And we have three kinds of landforms. The first order landform is OC, meaning is oceans and continents. Second order landforms are MPP, meaning is mountains, plains and plateaus. And third order landforms are gorges, valleys and sand dunes, etc. So in this present topic we are going to learn about the second order landforms. Those are mountains, plains and plateaus. Okay children. Okay, have you seen some mountain ranges like Himalayas and Vindhya Satpura and Aravalli? I hope you saw and you are familiar with these mountains in your atlas or in a India map. Yeah, be familiar with this. So, in our state of Telangana, some districts having some hills like Adilabad, Mahabubnagar, Rangareddy, Karimnagar and Khammam districts having some hills. Yeah, here Adilabad district, we can see the hills. Those are Satmala hills. And Mahabubnagar district, we can see Balaghat hills. And Rangareddy district, we have Anantagiri hills. And here Karimnagar and Khammam having the Rocky and Kandikal hills. These are the familiar hills in our state. Next, these are all about mountains. You know about mountains and hills. Those are high places having the steeps on the edges. And here, next one is that is a plateau. Here this plateau is also highlands, but having more flat areas or flat lands. In middle we have some hills. And the most important plateau that is in the country of India, that is Deccan Plateau. It's the largest plateau in the country of India. Not only this plateau, we have some other plateaus also like Chotanagpur Plateau, Bolivia Plateau. So, Telangana Plateau also is a part of Deccan Plateau. Okay. This is a small information about the plateaus. Okay. Mountains completed, plateaus, and now coming to the next landform, that is plains. What are plains? Plains are the fertile lands. How they formed? Do you know? They formed by the silt deposited by the rivers on the edge of the river banks. Again, in this present topic, we are going to learn about the Indo-Gangetic Plains. Indo-Gangetic Plains, meaning is here we have two rivers. One is Indus, the next one is Ganga, the river Ganga. Indus, other name is the Sindhu river or the Golden river. Indus river having 5 tributaries. Those are known as Ravi, Bias, Jhelum, Chenab and Sutlej. These 5 tributaries are belongs to the river Indus or the river Sindhu. It's a northern river. And this river also forming the this plains. And here southern part of India, It's not southern part, it's actually northern part. Northern part of India we have Gangetic plains, meaning is the river Ganga, it is flowing there, especially that is in the state of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. And together these two plains are called Indo-Gangetic plains. Yeah, these plains already I told you very fertile lands. We can grow any crop there. Okay children. Now coming to the coastal lines. Towards the east of the India we have east coastal lines by the help of the Bay of Bengal. And in this Bay of Bengal, the large states, these large states are known as here Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal fall in its. And western part of India we have western coastal line formed by the Arabian Sea. This is about plains. Now our state has a part of west of Telangana. This part of west of Tibet Plateau. So western part of Telangana is nothing but the highest part of Telangana. In that we have twin cities like Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Sangareddy, Nalgonda. Okay, these places we have. And the lower part of Telangana or lower part of the plateau we have Karimnagar and Warangal. Okay. Now this is so far mountains, plains and plateaus, or mountains, plateaus and plains. Now coming to the point that is about delta. Children, do you know what is delta? And here the deltas are formed by the help of the rivers. Yeah, in the state of Telangana we have two important rivers. Those are the river Godavari and the river Krishna. These rivers, they are flowing from west to east direction and joining in the Bay of Bengal. But before joining into the Bay of Bengal, these rivers are dividing into large number of streams, and they are bringing the silt, sand, and they are depositing on the edge of the river. And this shape looks like a triangular shape, reverse delta. Actually delta is a Greek word. Okay, delta is a Greek word. As you know that these deltas also very fertile lands, and it is very useful for growing crop or for farmers. Okay, this is the present topic, that is landforms. Very simple topic children. Did you understand? I hope you understood. Okay. After watching the video, you take the textbook and read out. And whatever the homework we are sending through the WhatsApp, you write down in a classwork. Till then, stay home, stay safe.